Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of TV dashboards and why they're the ultimate tool for making business data visible, actionable, and empowering for your team. Now imagine this. Your most critical metrics right there on a TV screen in the office, available to everyone, updated in real time. If you're already using tools like Salesforce, Power BI, Tableau, or Looker, you're just a step away from taking your data to the next level. So let's talk about why TV dashboards are so effective and how they can transform data into team alignment and action. First, they improve accountability across departments. With key metrics on display, teams stay aligned with goals and feel that sense of progress every day. Second, they simplify data-driven decision-making. No more digging through reports or endless emails. Teams can see what's happening at a glance and act quickly. And third, TV dashboards help reinforce KPI alignment. With your most important KPIs on display, whether that's sales targets, campaign results, or operational efficiency, everyone stays on the same page. At Fugo, we're all about making data accessible and clear. Our TV dashboard solution helps bring your data right where it matters. Now let's break down how TV dashboards benefit different parts of your business. For sales teams, TV dashboards mean that lead status, revenue targets, and deal progression are visible, motivating the team to stay proactive and reach their goals. Marketing teams? They live by metrics. Imagine having campaign performance data from Tableau or Looker on display. Marketers can spot trends instantly and adjust strategies right away. Then we have operations. These teams rely on data like productivity rates and inventory levels. With a TV dashboard connected to Power BI, they can track workflow efficiency in real time and respond to changes faster. Data visibility sounds simple, but it can be challenging. Let's look at some common issues and how TV dashboards solve them. The first challenge? Data silos. Without a centralized display, departments can end up working in isolated data worlds. With a TV dashboard, these insights come together, making it easier to share and align on data across teams. Another common challenge? Lag in real-time updates. Manually refreshing reports takes time and energy. TV dashboards sync in real time, so your team always has the latest data at a glance. And of course, there's the complexity of dashboard setup. Some traditional dashboards require a lot of tech expertise to manage. With Fugo, our TV dashboard solution is designed to be user-friendly, so you can easily connect your data without a hassle. Setting up a TV dashboard with Fugo is easier than you might think. Here's a quick guide to get started. Step 1. Choose your key metrics. Decide which data you want on display, whether it's sales figures, marketing results, or operational performance. Step 2. Connect Fugo with your data sources. Fugo integrates seamlessly with Salesforce, Tableau, Power BI, Looker, and more so you can pull in data in real time. Step 3. Customize your display. Tailor your dashboard with colors, layout, and refresh rates to fit your brand style. And finally, Step 4. Deploy to your screens. Publish your dashboard to the office TVs. You control what's shown, how often it updates, and which teams see what. Let's look at some real-world examples of companies that are thriving with TV dashboards. In retail, managers use TV dashboards to display real-time inventory and sales data. They can adjust promotions or reorder stock quickly based on what's selling. In healthcare, TV dashboards help teams track patient flow and key metrics so they can allocate resources more effectively and improve patient care. And in financial services, advisors use TV dashboards to monitor stock trends and market data, collaborating in real time to make decisions faster. Let's go over some common questions about TV dashboards. Are TV dashboards secure? Absolutely. At Fugo, we use encryption to ensure your data is secure. You control what's displayed so sensitive information stays safe. Do TV dashboards work with remote teams? Yes. With Fugo, you can manage multiple screens from a single dashboard, so data is available to remote or hybrid teams too. How do I know if my TV is compatible? Most smart TVs and Android TVs work seamlessly with Fugo. And if not, a media player will do the trick? What if I want to change the displayed metrics? With Fugo's dashboard, you can update your display anytime without needing technical support. It's fast and flexible. With TV dashboards, you're creating a powerful sense of alignment and accountability in your organization. By making data visible, digestible, and actionable, you're building a more informed and motivated team. If you're ready to experience the power of real-time metrics, check out our TV dashboard solution at Fugo and bring your data to life. Thanks for tuning in.